Good evening, sir.
Good evening. So, how are you?
Sir, I am doing fine. Thank you
You
so
are
much, sir.
doing fine. So, did you take care of my suggestions last time I have given?
Yes, sir. I have looked into the suggestions sir, and I have prepared
Okay,
for
okay, good. But anyway, you are a good student, so there won't be any problem this time. So, today we have three more panel members. You please try to introduce yourself.
sure, sir. Sir, my name is SAUVIK Kumar Saha. I come from Shiliguri, West Bengal. I have done my schooling from Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Kalyani. And after that, I have done my bachelor's in geology from Jadavpur University. And I have completed my master's in geology from IIT Kharagpur. My interest includes table tennis, backpacking, and cooking, sir.
Okay. So, what was your dissertation you told?
Sir, my dissertation was on the field of rock mechanics. My topic was on mechanical behavior of granitic rock materials at different confining pressure and displacement rates, sir.
Very good, very good. That time also I asked something related to confining stress.
Yes,
How
sir.
the rock becomes stronger with a larger confining stress, with a depth,
Yes,
how
sir.
it behaves. Those things, those are very interesting questions. I think you must have taken care of. But I will not go to those chapters again. I'll just ask you something very fundamental to rock mechanics. Now you see, there is one ductile state of material, there is another brittle state of material. Okay? Now,
Yes, sir.
Mohr circle, when I am drawing for brittle material, it is following the Coulomb's criteria,
Yes, sir.
intersecting the shear stress axis at C. Understand? Na?
Yes, sir.
But if a material is ductile, how this Coulomb's envelope will behave?
Sir, in case of ductile material, as far as I remember, the Mohr Coulomb envelope is not used. Rather than that, sir, von Mises criteria is used, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, in that case, the envelope is parallel to the sir, normal stress, sir.
Envelope is parallel to the
So normal
x-axis.
stress, x-axis, yes, sir.
X-axis. So in that case, what does it imply? Suppose the envelope surface is parallel to the y-x-axis, then what does it imply?
Sir, sir, this shear strain is like constant for any application of normal stress.
Yeah, no strain, only stress. We are
Only
talking
stress,
about
yes.
stress. Yeah. So it implies that without applying much more stress,
The strain
without
will be
applying
accumulated in the material,
much
sir.
using this stress, you can create deformation.
Yes, sir. The strain will be accumulated in the material. Thank you, sir. Yes.
Very good. Very good. I am very happy with your answer. Now I will pass on to next panelist, Pradeep. प्रदीप
ओके सर थैंक यू
प्रदीप आप इसको कंप्लीट कर लेना मैं थोड़ा बाहर जा रहा हूँ आप
ओके
कंप्लीट
सर
कर
ओके नो इशू
लेना ओके
सर ओके
टेक
ओके
केयर ओके
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 Thank you, sir.
या सो सविक
Yes, sir.
so this will be your first time interview in GSI.
Yes, sir. This is my first interview in GSI, sir.
Okay, okay. So Savik, tell me tell me something about topaz mineral. Is it come on the more hardness of a scale?
Yes, sir. It is in the more hardness scale, sir. I'm trying to recollect the hardness of it. Sir, it is 8 in more hardness scale, sir.
Okay, is it silicate or not?
Sir, it is a silicate, sir.
Okay, name two other silicate minerals.
Sir, from the more scale or any other, sir?
Any two silicates.
Sir, pyroxene, Sir, olivine are said.
Okay. So tell me the difference between nasosilicate and chain silicate.
Sir, nesosilicate are isolated silicates where none of the oxygens are shared with other tetrahedra. But in sir, next one, what did you say? I get
Single chain silicates.
single chain silicates are where two corners of the tetrahedra are shared with the other tetrahedras, sir, other corresponding tetrahedras.
Okay. So tell me a mineral which had tetrahedral crystal structure. Okay, okay,
Sir,
sorry.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm not able
Okay,
to recollect
it's
it
okay.
right now.
Okay, if someone asks you, ki, in our country, tell me a geographic location of limestone deposit, then what will be your answer?
Sir, um, so in West Bengal, we have got limestone deposits. So, sir, in Buxa area, we have abundant limestone deposit in West Bengal.
Okay, any other geographical location?
The geographical location. Sir, in Shimbhum also we get limestone deposits in Gangpur group, sir.
Okay, do Vindhyan supergroup contain limestone?
Yes, sir. I'm sorry, sir. I did not recollect it that time. Indian contains limestone deposits.
Okay, okay, okay. So tell me a geomorphological feature, stalactite and stalagmite. What is the difference between these?
Sir, these are geomorphic structures of uh, mm, underground geomorphic structures where stalactite is related to that ground where and another one is comes it appears from the ceiling, sir.
Okay, okay. Okay, so we tell me North Delhi fold bed comes under which supergroup?
Sir, Delhi supergroup.
Okay, so but it is divided into two fold bed, North Delhi, South Delhi fold bed.
Yes, sir.
So why it is so? Is there any difference between these belts?
Sir, sir, it is based on the like first of all, geographically they are separated, and also, sir, geologically their age of North Delhi fold belt is,
Yeah,
sir,
correct, correct.
older
Yeah.
than South Delhi fold belt, sir.
And also difference in the deformation, the stage of deformation.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so Souvik, tell me the difference between joint and fault.
Sir, fault are planar surfaces along which there is like displacement, but joints are, sir, extensional fractures that takes place and along which there is no displacement, sir.
Okay, so in granite, generally, what do you found means joint or fault.
Sir, joint is found in granite.
So what is the reason the fault is not generally found in granite?
Sir, the reason behind joint formation is granite due to, sir, pressure unloading, sir. When the
Yeah,
overburden
correct.
pressure is removed, then the joint appears in the granitic rock, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me a name of a rock in which the deposit of that rock, normal fault is very common, a sedimentary rock.
Sir, can you kindly repeat the question once again?
Tell me the name of a sedimentary rock in the deposit of which normal fault is very common.
Sir, sandstone.
Okay, any organic rich rock?
Sir, coal.
Yeah, correct. Coal. Okay. So let's suppose Sovic you will you will join GSI
Yes, sir.
and got a G3 project, G3 stage of mineral exploration project.
Yes, sir.
So can you tell me something about this stage of exploration?
Okay, sir. Sir, G3 stage is also known as the prospecting stage, where like it is an objective oriented stage where we find the broad delineation of the earlier identified deposit during the reconnaissance stage. The stage involves mapping in 1 is to 50,000 to 1 is to 25,000 scale. So here sampling is mainly done in initial a geochemical orientation survey is done here for collecting of soil specimen, water specimen, and rock specimen, etc. Sir, moreover, here in this stage, the ground geophysical survey is focused, like gravity, magnetic, and other surveys. And sir, for like 3D interpretation, sir, pitting trenching is done, along with sir some amount of diamond hole drilling is also done here.
Okay, so drilling is a part of G3 stage or not?
Sir, here for preliminary assessment, sir, diamond drilling is done, and other hole drilling is also done, sir, in here to delineate the bodies, like to check for the uh, underground extent of this body.
Okay, I think you are telling about G4 stage. Okay, read about that.
Okay, sir, I will
In
definitely check
in
into it.
G3, drilling is become a very essential part of that project.
Okay, sir.
So Savik, tell me few ore minerals of lithium.
Sir, lithium can be found in sir uh, lepidolite,
Okay,
sir, spodumene.
right, correct. These are the ore mineral, right?
Yes, sir.
But can lithium also associated with residual deposit?
So lithium can be associated with pegmatite deposits, sir.
Pegmatite is okay. Can it also occur with some residual deposit?
Okay, sir. Sir, sir, as far as I remember, it is also found with some salt marshes and salar area, sir.
Yeah, correct, correct.
So
Salt,
that is
yeah.
present in the sir, lithium triangle in the world, like Argentina, Bolivia, and Chile. They contain the salar-rich regions, sir.
Okay. Okay, so Vic, tell me something about Aravalli supergroup.
Sir, Aravalli supergroup over lies above the banded gneissic complex of the
Yeah, correct.
Aravalli Craton. Sir, they are mostly Paleoproterozoic in age, sir.
What is the extension of Aravalli mountain?
Sir, sir, it extends, I think, as far as I remember, sir, it extends from the uh, sir, from Banas lineament to Kaligoman lineament, sir, as far as I remember.
Okay, so Banas in Gujarat.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so tell me the highest peak present in the Aravalli mountain. Name of that highest peak, which is a very famous place
Yes,
for
sir.
tourists. Yes.
Yes, sir. I think it is Mount Abu, sir, that is present in the Aravalli Mountains.
Right, that peak is a part of Mount Abu. Then what is the name of that peak?
I'm sorry, sir. I not aware of that exact
Yeah,
locations.
it's Guru Shikhar, right?
Okay, sir. I will note it down.
And can you tell me the name of the highest peak mountain in our country?
Sir, it's Mount Everest.
Mount Everest lie in India, or
Oh, it's Nepal. I'm sorry, sir. Um,
yeah, read about that.
yes, sir. I'll definitely go through it.
Okay, so Savik, now come to some groundwater question because in GSI it's not compulsory. They will ask question only related to mining, right?
Okay, sir.
Let's suppose if you are polluting the river Ganga, right? Then in that case, groundwater is also polluted or not?
Sir, as far as I can remember, sir, that if the river is a influent river, so the discharge of the river will seep into the groundwater. So the pollutants can definitely seep into the groundwater also, sir.
Yeah, absolutely correct. Yeah, correct. Right. So it's depend upon the nature of the river.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so tell me some ions which are present in the groundwater. Ions means like alkali ions, alkaline.
The sodium ions,
Yeah, correct.
s- sodium, potassium, bicarbonates, calcium.
Okay, so is there any difference in the group of ions between sea water and groundwater or same?
No, sir. Seawater contains higher proportion of bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium, sir. But in groundwater, that content is not lesser there, sir.
Okay, absolutely correct. So we tell me what are connate water.
So connate water are those water that are expelled out from the sedimentary rocks when it is subjected to compaction, sir.
Okay, so do connate water somehow related to oil industry?
So uh, the connate water contains some isotopic characteristics of the sedimentary rocks where it was hosted. So it kind of like gives an idea about sedimentary rocks, sir. As a result, it can be used in the petroleum industry, sir.
Okay, so Savik, my last question. Who is the nodal agency for the monitoring of landslide in our country?
The Geological Survey of India is nodal agency for monitoring landslide in our country.
Okay, but still even monitoring constantly, why landslide become one of the disastrous natural hazard in our country?
Sir, so landslides are such a like phenomena. Like they have various parameters, but GSI is constantly working upon it, and it has implemented some landslide early warning system. And also, sir, it has also started like building state of the art landslide forecasting facility at Kolkata, sir. So it is trying to like deal better to prevent landslide, but still, sir, some variabilities are there that cannot be taken into account like at such small times. And that is why, sir,
Yeah, perfect. Savik, nice to talk to you. You have
thank you
very
so
good
much.
preparation. Now,
Thank you so
Byomkesh sir
much.
will ask some question to you. Sir, please.
Okay. Hello, Sovik.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Am I audible completely?
Yes, sir. You are audible.
Okay. Okay. Then. Should we start?
Yes, sir. Sure.
Okay. You are wearing a sweater. I think it's very cold there, right?
Yes, sir. Like I am like near to the north part of the West Bengal, so it's chilling out here, sir.
Okay. You are from Darjeeling, right?
Yes, sir. Like Shiliguri is near to Darjeeling.
Okay. Okay. So, Vic, tell me, the, the Kolkata is known as the city of joy.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Why we call it a city of joy?
Sir, Kolkata, it has got like the people of Kolkata enjoy they are involved in various of activities like literature, arts, and they keep themselves busy and they enjoy doing that, sir. That is why it is known as the city of joy, sir.
Okay. Okay. So, Vic, tell me why it is known as West Bengal. Your state is.
Sir, actually, sir, after the partition, the whole Bengal, the like the Bengal that India taken into its part is comprising of West Bengal, and the other part is known as the East Bengal, sir, that we call Bangladesh now.
Okay. It's 1947 partition or 1905 partition.
No, sir, not 1905, sir. It's
It's
after the
19
independence, sir.
independence. Okay. Okay. So, Vic, I have heard that Rabindra Sangeet is very
Yes.
famous. What is the speciality of this Rabindra Sangeet?
Sir, firstly, it is very melodious. It is it's very soft and pleasing and soothing to mind and heart, sir.
Okay. You like Rabindra Sangeet?
Sir, I like, but I am not into music that much, sir.
Music? You don't like music?
Sir, I am not very fond of music, but I hear sometimes.
I think you like Arjit Singh song. He is also from West Bengal, right?
Yes, sir.
And I think he is also from that Siliguri or that area.
It's a Murshidabad area.
Oh, Murshidabad. Okay. Okay. So, okay, let's start and go into the geology. Okay.
Okay, okay,
Okay. So, okay, tell me in the structural geology, okay, what is a incremental strain ellipse and what is a finite strain ellipse?
okay, sir. So the
Mm,
finite strain ellipse takes into account the initial state and final state of deformation, while the incremental strain ellipse takes into account the incremental stages of deformation, like the instantaneous deformation it takes into account, sir.
okay. And the finite strain ellipse?
The final state, sir, initial and final state.
Final
It
stage.
doesn't take
Okay.
into account the middle step, sir.
Okay.
The,
When we just overlap it, we will get the compressional design and
yes, sir.
extension design, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me how a fold is formed?
Sir, a fold can be formed by various mechanisms. The primary mechanism is buckling, where a layer
Okay.
parallel compression is acting. As a result, sir, the competent layer gets folded.
Folded. Okay. Can we create a fold without compression?
Sir, without compression, sir, it is possible the passive folding can be done, sir, where due
Okay.
to differential pressure, the fold can be created, sir.
Differential pressure. Okay. I think it's inhomogeneous here you are talking about,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. I got your point. Okay. Okay. Just tell me, suppose in a deformed rock, okay, you got some lineation data and plot it on the stereo net. Okay, in
Yes,
one
sir.
stereo net you got haphazard manner of lineation. In one stereo net you got very concentrate part where the lineation are marked. How will you say which one is more deformed, which one is less deformed? Just guess. I think you know. You're just not getting the points.
Yes, sir. Actually, I am thinking about the question, but I'm
Okay.
not sure
Okay.
I'm on the right track, sir.
Okay, I'm just giving you a hints. Okay, when the
Yeah.
rocks are deformed, they're aligned in a
Yes, sir.
particular
So,
direction.
sir, in that case scenario, as you have pointed, sir, the lineations that are more precisely concentrated will give the sir deformed behavior of a rock,
Deformed.
sir.
Exactly, exactly. You got the point, but you are just not getting
Yes.
the track. Okay. Okay, just tell me, Sovik, what is a intersection lineation?
Sir, intersection lineation are created by the intersection of two planar elements, sir.
Okay, intersection of two planar elements. Okay, okay. Tell me, Sovik, what is Grison?
Sir, so Gryzin are like type of endoskarn where the granitic bodies have suffered, sir, internally they have suffered some metasomatic alterations, sir.
Okay, in which kind of rock we will get this Grison?
So Gryzin deposits are very common in granite, sir.
Granites. And tell me two minerals that are very present as a ore mineral in Grison.
Sir, in Gryzin, sir, tin and tungsten are present as ore
Tin
minerals,
and
sir.
tungsten. Okay. Okay, just tell me what is a SEDEX deposit and what is a VMS deposit?
Sure, sir. So SEDEX deposit stands for sedimentary exhalative deposits.
Okay.
Sir, this type of deposit forms by the brine water that are heated by geothermal gradient, and they take up the scavenge those mineral from the sedimentary strata, and they deposit it in the basin, sir.
Okay.
While in case of VMS deposit, they are volcanogenic massive sulfide deposit where the seawater is involved. They get heated while they percolate downwards into the crust, and they like scavenge those metals and due to the presence of some volcanic bodies beneath, and then they mix with the seawater, that hot water, and they deposit there on the seafloor, sir.
Okay. Okay, got your point. Okay, Sobik, tell me in India where will we get this SEDEX type of deposit?
So SEDEX type of deposit are mainly found in, sir, Rampura Agucha, sir, then Rajpura Daripa deposits,
All in Rajasthan. Okay.
all in Rajasthan, sir, concentrated in
Okay.
Rajasthan.
Okay, tell me what is the major difference between cataclasites and myelonites?
Sir, cataclysm is a result of brittle deformation, or myelonite is a result of ductile deformation, sir.
Okay. Okay, very good. Okay, just tell me out of this normal and reverse fault, which one is high angle, which one is low angle, and why this is high angle, why this is low angle?
Yes, sir. Sir, if we take into account the Mohr circle, I think it will be better perspective. But sir, I'll try to explain it. Sir, first of all, the first, sir, the primarily to your question answer, I will tell that normal fault are a high angle. They are around 60 degree, while reverse fault are a low angle fault, sir. So now, the according to Sir Mohr Coulomb envelopes, the tau is equals to C plus sigma and tan phi, sir.
Okay.
So from their relation, the friction comes into play, the angle of internal friction.
Okay.
So if we take a Mohr circle and where they intersect the envelope, and at that point of failure, if we calculate it, it comes out to be the theta angle comes out to be, sir, 45 degree plus or minus that 5/2, sir. So if the internal fraction we assume it to be 30 degrees, so it will
Mm.
either come out to be 60 degree or it will come out to be, sir, 30 degrees, sir. That is why
Mm.
normal faulting occurs at 60 degree and reverse fault occurs at 30 degrees, sir.
30 degree because you can also say that it is due to extension normal fault and reverse fault is due to
So,
compression. Okay, it
compression,
will be
yes,
plotted in the Mohr circle in the left side. It will
yes, sir.
compression on the right side. Okay. Okay, tell me in the ductile shear zone. Okay, can we plot the Mohr circle?
Sir, Mohr circle actually, uh, like I said to sir that sir, we can plot the failure criteria according to von Mises criteria, but I don't think, sir, the Mohr circle we can obtain, sir.
Okay. Okay, what is the internal friction in the ductile shear zone?
I'm sorry, sir, I do not know about it. I will surely learn about it, sir.
It's negative. It's negative. Or else, how can we plot this because when you go on the right side, okay, on
Yes, sir.
the Mohr circle, first you will get the brittle zone. After that, you will get the ductile zone. Okay. The first we will get some compressional features or fracture where in the brittle zone. After that, when you go to the ductile, the automatically the Mohr circle, the Coulomb's criteria will be going to downward direction. Okay, it will not in the compression. It is always in the upside direction.
Sir,
Okay,
but are you talking about the negative x-axis direction for the uh, ductile regime, sir?
no negative, not on the positive side, on the compression side itself.
Yeah. Yes, sir,
Okay,
yes, sir,
when
yes,
you
sir.
just go
I
in the
got it.
far side, far away from the brittle zone,
Yes,
then after that ductile zone will come.
yes, sir,
Okay,
sir.
in the
I'll
ductile
note it.
zone, the envelope will be go downwards. Okay, in the compression,
Okay.
it seems like it's going upward. That's why
Upward, yes.
when you go deeper, you will get more bigger size of the
Circle, yes, sir.
like
Circle
circle.
size
Okay, you
increases,
got my
yes.
point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, just tell me how you will use this Morse circle in a like engineering geology. Suppose you are working on a dam site. How will you use this Morse circle?
So Mohr circle can be used to calculate the strength, like the normal stress and shear stress acting on a like plane of a body, sir. So
Mhm.
like in and the periphery of the Mohr circle itself represents the state of stress that is acting on a plane in a body that are under stress, sir. So from this Mohr circle, we can predict the failure, sir, when this failure will happen and at what normal stress is like what sigma 1 is required to fail the specimen. So that way we
Oh,
can calculate the strength of the rock, sir, in dam site, sir.
okay. You answered very beautifully, but I just want to add suppose you are using this Morse circle, okay? Then you must have known that when it will be crack, when it will be got fracture, because on the circle envelope, like Coulomb's envelope, you will get this point.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Those point which comes in that envelope, you
That
will
are
only
stable, sir.
grout. Yeah, only you will like only you should grout where you should grout and where you should not do the grouting.
Yes, sir. That
Okay.
will I'll keep it noted, sir. Thank you so much
Okay.
for the input, sir.
Again, you should go there. You should grout where and you should not grout where. Whether it should
Yes,
be inside the character envelope or whether it should be outside the
sir.
envelope.
Thank you.
Okay. 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 Just tell me what is a hybrid fracture?
Sorry, sir.
Hybrid fracture.
Hybrid fracture. Sir,
Yeah.
it comprises of both tensional and compressive regime, sir. Sir,
Okay.
when the Mohr circle is in a position where the sigma 1 is present in the compressive regime while sigma 3 is present in the tensional regime, that comprises of a hybrid type of fracture, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me why in this Morse circle we take the angle as 2 theta, not theta?
Sir, like uh, actually, sir, we are physically taking as theta, that is an angle made with the sigma 3, but while doing the trigonometric operation on it and after the circle is plotted, it comes out to be 2 theta, sir. It is only due to the trigonometric calculation, sir.
Trigonometric calculation.
Yes, sir. After calculation, the normal stress comes out to be sigma 1 plus sigma 3 by 2 minus sigma 1 plus sigma 3 by 2 cos 2 theta, sir. That is why we
Okay.
plot 2 theta in a.
Okay. It's simple. Like suppose you have three axes, sigma 1, sigma 2, and sigma 3.
Yes, sir.
Okay. They are mutually perpendicular to each other. Okay. Suppose you are plotting it on a circle. Then if
Yes, sir.
sigma 1 and sigma 3, how much angle you will plot? 180.
180 in more circle. In physical,
More
it is
circle. Because you can't plot it, na?
yes,
You
sir.
are taking it as a circle on
Yes,
a
sir.
single axis. How can you plot? Because they are parallel.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You got my point?
I got your point, sir. Thank you so much
Okay.
for the input.
Okay. Okay. Just tell me, Sobi. Suppose you are getting a Charnokite from Dharwad,
Yes,
okay,
sir.
and you are getting a Charnokite from Southern Groundlet terrain or Eastern Ghat mobile belt, okay. What is the difference between these Charnokites, or it's like a same on the basis of its genesis?
Sir, the Charnokite from Dharwad Craton will be like in a transitional state, I guess. In the biotite or the amphibole minerals will have a like will convert like in the transition zone. This takes place, so that it will convert to orthopyroxene, sir. In that case. Sorry,
Okay.
but in the southern granulate tearing, it is properly converted, so we can easily get orthopyroxene in it, sir. There is
How
no
it is
remnants of.
okay, okay, I got your point. Okay, how it is converted in the Dharwad Craton to biotite, it or you can say anhydrous minerals. Okay,
Sir, sir, as far as I remember, it was something related to, sir, CO2 influx that related
influx.
that. Yes, sir, that made the metamorphism from amphibolite to granulate phase. As a result, sir, orthopyroxene forms, sir.
Okay. Okay, there is a famous personality. Okay, from West Bengal. I think his statue is made up of the Charnokites. Who is that person?
Sir, statue is made of Charnogite. Sir, I just remembered the tombstone is made of Charnogite for Sir Charnok. I just remember, but statue I do not remember.
Okay. Okay, can you tell me how it is named as Charnokite? Its
Yes, sir,
history?
because for the tombstone of Lord Charnock, sir, uh, like best or some wonderful stones were like rocks were being searched. So, sir, from there, Charnokite was found to be appear very due to presence of smoky quartz in it. It was having some shiny appearance. So that was used as a tombstone for Lord Charnock, and from that, Sir Charnokite got its name, sir.
Okay. Okay, you told about smoky quartz. Is it like blue quartz?
Blue, no, sir, it's black quartz, sir.
Black quartz. Okay. Okay, Sovik, tell me, you're working on the field. Okay. And in
Yes, sir.
every field, we will get some magnetic declination.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
How will you correct this magnetic declination? It will create your problem in data collection.
Mm, yes, sir. I got your point, but I I do not, sir. Like presently, I'm not able to like get it correctly,
Oh,
sir.
okay. Can you tell me what average declination of India if you do field in India?
Sir, average declination is not much in India. As far as I remember, it is only about like one less 1 degree.
Around 1 degree. Okay, I
Yes,
got it. It's 1.3, but it's around 1. You were right. Okay. 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 Tell me, how do you reduce the effect of Odo-Harkin effect?
yes, sir. Sir, first of all, the Odo-Harkin effect is like abundance of even atomic numbers. So they will create a sawtooth pattern. In order to nullify it, it must be normalized with respect to chondrites, sir.
Chondrites. Okay. Why we normalize it with chondrites?
The chondrites are taken for normalization as because they are the primordial elements that represents the abundance in the solar system, sir.
Okay, that's an
Yes,
undifferentiated part, right?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. What minerals you will get in this chondrules?
So calcium, aluminum inclusions are there. Uh,
Minerals, I'm asking.
Minerals, sir.
Just guess. You can guess. I think you know this answer also.
Sir, organic carbonaceous mineral are there. Apart from that, sir, olivine,
Exactly. Olivine and pyroxene, undifferentiated.
pyroxene. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
it is, if it is differentiated, it will go Bauman reaction series, pyroxene, amphibole, biotite, moscow, and then quartz.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, just tell me. Suppose you are working under the microscope. Okay, and you got a rock. One is marble. One is a dolomitic marble. Okay, how can you differentiate this calcite and dolomite? But in sometimes we will not get those rhombohedral cleavage in calcite. Then how can you differentiate? You can use other technique also.
Sir, I do not remember actually, but I think in extinction we get some twinkling effect in calcite, sir. But that
Okay,
is
I got your point. Actually, whatever those properties we study on the book, sometimes it is not visible under the microscope because we are not getting the perfect section.
perfect section. Yes,
Okay, so you can use other technique also.
under microscope, I'm not able to remember it right now. But in rock specimen, we can easily differentiate it using sir sulfuric acid or HCl test, sir.
Okay. So you are saying in dolomite it will be react less in
No, sir. The effervescence will be more in sir calcite compared to dolomite, sir.
yes, yes, I am also telling. Okay, but how can you say that it is highly effervescence, it is low effervescence? There is no value, na. You
Yes,
will
sir.
not
It's
get this
only qualitative, sir, not quantitative.
because if you are getting the calcite and dolomite simultaneously, then you can say yes, it's a very high effervescence, it is very low effervescence. But you are getting only dolomite, then how will
Yes.
do? It's a staining technique. I think you know this. You just forgotten all these things. But I think you know this staining technique. Okay.
Sir, I do not remember. I will, sir, definitely look into it, sir.
Okay, it's a very robust and very, I mean, not robust, but it's a very good technique. It's a lame technique, but sometimes very useful. Okay. Okay,
Okay.
just can you tell me how will you identify or differentiate this nepheline from quartz under the microscope?
Sir, the very first point that comes to my mind is, sir, nepheline is uniaxial negative while quartz is uniaxially positive, sir. That can be identified in the microscope, sir, from interference figures.
Okay, have you ever like seen this interference figure and measured all these positive and
No,
negative
no,
things?
sir. Like I haven't done it practically, but we're taught in like to do in the projector
Okay,
and screen.
okay, I
So
got it.
that's why I
In
remember.
GSI also you will join and not do all these things, okay? Because it's very difficult. Okay, you will it's same. You will just use this staining technique. Okay, in
Okay.
methylene blue, the naphthalene will be color to blue color, and quad will be not color. Simple. You will get this within 2 minutes. Okay.
Okay, sir. I'll note it.
Okay, just few question, one to two question. Okay, for you.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay, just tell me. How will you identify the serpentine under the microscope?
The serpentine are the altered products of olivine, so it is associated with olivine. And if it is not associated with olivine, we can get some fibrous appearance of serpentine in under microscope, sir.
Okay, fibrous serpentine. Okay, what are those fibrous minerals?
Uh, sir,
I will not tell this answer. Okay, you should go through
as
it.
sir, I think it's like. So I'm sorry, sir. I remember it, but like now I am at present, I'm not able to recollect it.
I know you remember all these things. I can guess, but right now not able to recall. Okay, okay. Last question for you. Okay,
Okay, sir.
okay. Just tell me. You have heard AFM diagram to differentiate the thallitic and calc-alkaline magma.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In the thallitic magma, it is like a curve. Okay,
Yes,
going
sir.
towards the F point.
Yes,
But
sir.
in the calc-alkaline, it will straight go towards the F.
Yes, sir.
Why this difference?
Sir, sir, iron enrichment trend is seen in thallitic magma. This is because they are reduced magma. As a result, the iron bearing minerals will not be crystallized at first. That iron will be concentrated in the silicate phases. As a result, it will show an iron enrichment trend for thallitic magma. But sir, in case of calc-alkaline magma, sir, they are highly oxidized magma, and sir, the iron bearing phases will crystallize, so no iron will be incorporated into the silicate phases. As a result, it will directly show a linear trend, sir, towards the.
Excellent, excellent answer. Okay, very good. Okay, this last question is a tricky question. I just want to check how you are thinking. Okay, okay. Tell me what is Benioff zone?
Sir, Benioff zone, it is a zone related to subduction setting, sir.
Okay,
Sir, this zone comprises of the seismic activities that are
don't
measured.
comprise of the seismic activity.
Like, sir, they give seismic seismicity.
Benioff zone is related to earthquake, na?
Yes, sir. Like in subduction setting,
It's the deepest focus earthquakes.
sir, till 700 kilometer, I remember that.
Okay, you are telling not seismic activity.
Oh, sir, I'm sorry, sir.
Okay, okay, I got your point. Okay, okay,
I
tell
want
me.
to say, but I am not. I think I
Okay,
miss.
I got your point. Okay, okay, just tell me. It going very like very deep. up to 700 kilometers it is going, the slab, okay? And earthquake is a brittle phenomena.
Yes, sir.
How this brittle phenomena occurs in the 700 kilometer? Where there should be a mental.
Sir, sir, see, sir, at that depth, as I recall, sir, like the last earthquake is due to the like delamination of the slab. So it is the last point of earthquake, sir. After that, it turns into some plastic regime, sir.
Okay, you are saying it is still intact, or it is the slab is broken in the 700 kilometer.
The slab will get, sir, I think the slab will be broken at 700 kilometer, like not brittle, sir. Like
I mean,
it will
after
give.
700 kilometer or before 700 kilometers, it is broken.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm not able
If the
to.
slab is broken, how will it create this earthquake? Slab is already broken, na? How will it
Yes, sir.
create the earthquake?
Yes,
It
sir.
must
Yes.
be intact.
It must be intact, sir.
I'm just giving you hints, okay? So big. Just it's just like normal interview, okay? I'm just you answered very beautifully. I'm just answering your question, okay? Just tell me, so big. Suppose in a thread, okay, you put a ice, okay, and you dip it in the hot water, okay. You dip it for 1 minute, and in second case you dip it and quickly brought it to the surface. In which case it will melt
Sir, if it stays in the bucket,
for some time.
yes, sir.
Okay. So in the subduction, when there will be steep subduction, it will go so fast. It
Yes,
doesn't
yes.
have that time to
Yes, it
melt
is.
the rock. That's why
Yes.
it is 700 kilometer. If it is gentle, it will take
It
it
will.
will it have many time to go to 700 kilometer. It will must have been melted.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you got my point.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, Sobik. Okay, thank you, Sobik. Very good. Nice. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
You gave a very good interview from my side. I just want to give you a suggestion. Okay. Whatever you did in this interview, just do it in that panel. You will qualify. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Sir, any more feedback that I need to take into account for these last days?
I actually, I have also appeared this interview 2 times and qualified also this, but I think you have much more knowledge. You have good communication. Okay, just go through the slide like West Bengal geology data or something like that, because they will ask some question from the West Bengal, Darjeeling. Okay, in geology you don't need to do anything. Just keep some revision, some like field geology, all these things. Rest you are just enough. You are very knowledgeable. You will crack this exam for sure. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, sir. I'm passing it to the other panel member, Pradeep, sir.
Yeah, sir. So,
Okay.
Sauvik, your confidence level is very good. And what will you wear during your main interview?
Sir, I will wear a suit, sir. Uh,
Yeah, suit will be okay. In suit or shirt, pant, and tie is also okay. Okay,
sir, uh,
because it will be your personality test. So they will also consider your attire.
but it will be cold during in Delhi, na, in December.
So cold you can wear inner, then shirt after
Okay,
that.
sir.
Or, no, because you will get marks on each and everything. Just like your way of giving answer is very good, you will get some extra marks on this also. Okay, apart from this, just revise all the things
Sure,
and
sir.
also keep and keep the general knowledge about the places where you went or which is related to you. Okay.
Yes. Okay, sir.
Okay. So thank you, Savik. This is from our side. All the very
Thank you.
best for your interview.
Thank you so much, sir.